welcome to another episode of Builds by Bailey. Today we're going to go ahead and take the motor out of the Civic, give it a refresh. It's been in there for about 10 years, so it's got a few leaks. So follow along while we start that process today. Got it all jacked up now. I've got the axles broke free at the hubs, and I've also taken the lug nuts loose before I jacked it up, and I've got it as tall as I can get it because I'm going to be working underneath it a bunch. So let's go ahead and let's get these wheels off this thing, and let's start unplugging wires and stuff underneath the hood.
Ever in a town where Wes Montgomery is playing, go and watch him. Notice the key word was watch. Go and watch him, and then come back and show me how he does that. According to the laws of aerodynamics, of wing surface to body weight.
Now that just about everything is unhooked up top, we'll go ahead and we'll crawl underneath this thing and drain all the fluids out of it, the oil, the coolant, and we'll go ahead and we'll start disconnecting the power steering lines. Then the engine should be just about ready to just pull up out of this thing.
Is flying. Just as unknowingly as the bumblebee.
So now that we've got all the fluids drained out of it, the oil and the antifreeze, then we're pretty much just going to leave it for the day. I'm going to let that stuff continue to drain out of it, and we'll come back to it tomorrow. So that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching me tinker on this car for a little bit. Get ready to get this engine pulled out of it. Next episode will be popping the axles loose, getting the suspension pulled apart a little bit, so that can happen, and then we'll be pulling the engine out of it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.